The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Euless or near DFW Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include DFW Airport and Carrollton. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 436 and 450. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yep, doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, western Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Blue Mound, or near Hamilton City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, huge
Locations
line.
impacted include Fort Worth, Keller, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Azle, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake
friend
Worth,
is somewhere
Eagle
over
Mountain,
here. He's under
Bryant,
it.
Pecan Acres, Westworth Village, Blue Mound, Pelican Bay, Haslett, Godley, Lakeside, Newark, and Westlake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 54 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 423 and 433. Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 13. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National